Alright guys, if you really want to get this kind of trading history right here, of course you can see these are all blue. These are all profit entries. There are multiple profit right here. The list is endless. The list is endless. If you really want to get this kind of multiple profit entries with very few losses, of course you can see these other ones hit the stop loss. Alright, here are the few numbers of losses, and then the rest are all profit. Alright, so if you really want to get this kind of trading history, just take through this video as I'm about to take you through every step you need to get this done, alright, on your trading platform. All you just have to do is to follow the step in this video. Now I basically trade gold. Alright, I trade gold in most of my trading. In my trading, of course you can see my trading history right here. This is not a kind of a forming or a kind of fake trading history. Of course you can see it right here on the chart. These are the entry points. Alright, you can see this is my entry point, and this is where I buy, and here is where I close. Of course you can see another part where I close my entry, and then if you scroll down, of course you can see the point where I took the buy. Alright, these are where I took the buy. Sorry, let me delete it. I took some buy here, some buy here, and then I closed some here, and then instantly I took another buy entry, and then I close up here. Alright, all of this happens through my trading principle. I have principle. Of course you can see some more entries here. You can see my buys and my profit level, and then if I should zoom down, of course you can see where I took multiple buy here, and then I hold it until I close it at this point. Alright, so I'm going to bring to you for free how I was able to get all these things done. Alright, how I was able to get all these things done. First of all, you go to the chart and you can change it to 5 minutes time frame, because this is the best time frame for me, because I scalp, and even if I have to swing or day trade, I still follow this 5 minutes time frame to process everything I'm gonna do. So first of all, I'll go to my screen. I can click right here, so I can just click there to go to indicator, or I tap on the screen and I click on this icon. It will take me here, and then I click on this plus and go to moving average. Right here is moving average. On moving average, I'll select period 10. Of course you can see right here, I select moving average period 10, shift 0, method simple, apply to close, and I will save it. Alright, and then I'll go again to the same moving average. Remember the property of the previous one. The first one was period 10, then the style was red. I'll take note of that. Again, I'll go again to moving average, the same period 10, method simple, but this time it's going to be applied to open. Alright, and then I will change this color to blue. Alright, I'll change it to blue, and then I will save. Alright, so I'll save. You can see now that I have two moving average now on my chart. I have two moving average right now on my chart. Now this is how I apply this moving average to make my trading decision. Alright, if I should go back, let me go back so that I will put you through my trading history, so that you see how I was able to take my entries. Let's review all this my trading history. Now this is how I took my entry. First of all, I take note of the trend. This is an uptrend movement. Alright, this is an uptrend movement. So next thing I do is, whenever I notice this swing low, alright, you can see another swing low in an uptrend. Alright, when I notice this swing low in an uptrend, the next thing I do is I watch out for a breakout above the moving average, which is this point. Alright, when I notice this swing low, I watch out for a breakout above the moving average. Alright, when I notice a break above the moving average, I go to this icon right here, the crochet tools. Alright, so I'll just pick the crochet tools, and then I'll take it to the lowest part. Alright, I'll take it to the lowest part of the market. Alright, when I take it to the lowest part of the market, I right click on it and drag it up. Alright, when I drag it up, I get up to 200 points. Of course, you can see right here about 200 points here. On the sixth candle, I got 227 points. Alright, that 200 points is equivalent to 20 pips. Alright, when I get 20 pips above the moving average, alright, I'll take my buy entry. The same thing applicable if I am on downtrend. Alright, when I get 20 pips below the moving average, I will take my sell entry, still following the trend. Alright, still following the trend. So in this case, I took, although I was a bit late in this case, so when I got this movement 20 pips above the moving average, I took my buy at this point. Alright, I took multiple entry at this point, and thereafter I hold the trade. Of course, if you watch, after taking that entry, I hold the trade for a very long time. You can see this line here, this very line indicates the days, the closing of the day. So after making that entry, I hold the trade until towards the evening of that period. I still add another entry right here. Okay, I add another entry and then hold it till the next day. Of course, you can see how I hold the trade until it gets to the next day, where I now finally close the entry. The same thing is applicable to the previous one. I make the entry alright, I make the entry somewhere here, and then I hold it till the next day, where I close it here, and I still apply the same principle. Alright, I apply the same principle. All you just have to do is to watch out for a break below, because we are on a uptrend. Alright, just watch out for a break below the moving average, and then when you have this reversal, especially when it comes with an engulfing candle, because when it comes with an engulfing candle, this is just a clear sign of a reversal. Of course, you can see this strong engulfing candle, this bullish candle engulfing the previous one, and then on the previous one you can also see this long rejection. Alright, you can see this long rejection. So these are signs of a strong reversal. So after that, all I have to do is I go to my crochet, take it down. Alright, take it down to the lowest part of the candlestick, and then drag it above the moving average. Soon as I get 200 points, even in this case I was even a bit late. Alright, you see that I was even supposed to get up to 200 points before the moving average, but I had to wait for the price to actually cross the moving average. Alright, it was even more than 200 points. So if I should calculate from the lowest part to this point, this is about 400 points. Alright, so at that 400 points, I took my multiple entry. Alright, I took my multiple entry right here, and boom, the market moves straight up. The market moves straight up from here down to this point. And if I should check it using the same crochet, this tool is very important. If I should check it from my entry point to where I actually close the entry, this is about 600 points. Alright, this is about 600 points. 600 points is equivalent to 60 pips. Alright, 600 points is equivalent to 60 pips. That is how comes about this profitable trade history. Alright, this is how I made all this profit in blue. Okay, you can even see some few losses, and then boom, all the rest of them are profit all through. Profit all through. You can see it even on the sell entry. You can see it, all are in profit. Right, so that is it for the video. You can tune in to my channel at any day, anytime for more video like this, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to our channel if you are new. See you again in our next video.